other video. Why? Well, I'm filming 2 videos in one day. So if you haven't known and seen my adapted Cerebral Palsy and Pet Hair, I'm in the title, then don't watch it. This video is going to be, as you can probably tell, how a Cerebral Palsy, what would you call it? Young adult with Cerebral Palsy cook dinner independently for the most part. So I'm making the Frito Taco Bake, the recipe is from Cilla from Fathering Autism. So go ahead and test it out if you want. Right now, hi guys. Okay, so I know I'm really far away, but that's because you are sitting on a coffee maker, right, Mom?
Coffee maker, yeah.
My tripod won't stand up any other way. So, I hope you guys can see. Mom will probably move your sofa if we need to. So, let's get cooking. So, the first thing I need to do is attempt to use a knife, which I have never done in my whole entire life. So, this is about to be real funny.
But you did in cooking class.
I did in cooking mentor, so I'm gonna, and it's not before you it's not an adaptive like, so here, and I have everything laid out in front of me, and the oil, and the pan, and one thing I recommend is that you're in your handing device, if you have one, right, Mom? Then you'll have 2 hands.
Mm-hmm.
So, and
standard. Easy stand.
One more thing. Welcome back to the PP Bike. I told me about Dad. I am making taco Frito Bake without the Frito because my flour was out. The recipe is on Finalizing. So I'm following Autism. If you're watching it, I'll make them below. Now let's get started. So the first thing I need to cut is my onion. So I'm going to put it like that.
Mm-hmm.
And
well, they say that put it so it lays kind of
oh,
flat.
Yeah. I'm going to do my yellow one. Okay.
Why don't you do the middle first? Good. And then go.
And then the sideways, right?
Well, here, let's.
There.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, use your other hand. Good job. Don't put that hand in there. Yeah, there you go. Try to press this hand there, maybe. Now wait, now. It's good. Okay.
And don't worry about it. The purple behind. Oh, it's good.
Slow and steady wins the race. I think I've heard of that. Here, let's try. How about like right there in the center? Stand back, honey. Okay.
Oh,
you want me to move the?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's move this around. You want? Is it hurting your hand?
No.
Try to go for the middle part, like here. You see a middle.
Yeah. Mom, I'm
not going to the emergency room right now. That looks pretty good. Let me try to get just a couple so it's kind of.
Yeah, that's how I intend to cut. Before we started this video, Mom didn't even want me to try and did you, Mom?
Well, I was just a little nervous, but it's good that you tried.
I mean,
Now
yeah.
you can also, you want to tell me, you can also buy already
And
cut things.
If you can't cut, like if you have no mobility in your hand whatsoever, you can always buy
Am I right in the camera?
No, you can always buy pre-diced anything. Unfortunately, well, not unfortunately.
It costs a little more, because, you know.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's not money effective, and it may not be worth my money for some of you, because if you are like me and can cut, if you are like me who can cut your own cut at a whole rate, well, yeah, at a whole rate.
I'll try to do
Then,
more.
yeah, then I recommend you doing that. In case you can't like have the extra dime for a dime.
No, but things come chopped up already.
Yeah.
Chopped onions, carrots, I've seen.
But if you can cut and you want to cut, then no, like.
Plus, we could look into, there's probably some good kitchen utensils.
Yeah, we're talking.
Better and more.
Oh, I'm fine.
Now you see what it's like, yeah. Yeah. Start crying. Affecting your eyes. Oh, really?
Now I'm gonna put the onion in the bowl, I think.
Okay, so now what?
Now, the pepper. Now we need the pepper. So, the pepper I have already had my mom. Well, I didn't ask her to. We already.
You can cut that one.
We already cut.
Here, I didn't touch this one.
Can you, mine? Okay. Mom, no help.
Okay, it's a little hard. Whoa!
I did it!
You did it.
Okay. Now
Now
I need
take
to
that
put
seed
on
out.
the thing.
Yeah, and put in this bowl. So any of that stuff inside the middle, the white and the seeds.
Can you bring them over to the see why I'm doing that?
They can see.
Well,
Right there.
so, yep, I cut them all by myself.
And then,
And now,
and then there's the same on this side. Plus, you don't want to eat this green
wait,
part, right? Oh yeah, obviously.
I'm so tired.
You still feel the onions?
Okay, though. But yeah, it is,
Winnie, come here, Win.
you can adapt your top. You can adapt it. I know a woman who is actually, well, Miss CD as teacher. So, and I am one and adapt this woman live on Facebook, which I will make it. You know what?
Should we switch the cutting board maybe that had the onion on? I think you'd be all right. Just get the seeds in there.
Man, I'm calling an adaptive woman that talk about everything from having babies to adaptive cooking. So I might mix that down below. If you want to join it, you have to be approved. But let's see. Oh, this
Winnie's waiting for the scraps.
when mom is cooking.
It's like I prefer
Well,
protein
I'm
as
gonna,
opposed to these onions.
I'm gonna die. That's what Winnie said.
No,
When
no.
mom is cooking, I'm gonna.
Oh, weren't you supposed to preheat the oven?
Oh yeah. Can you do that?
What? You're supposed to roll over
I
here.
can do that. I can do it.
Let me roll you over. Hold Put the camera back.
Hi.
Let me see. Maybe I can put it here. A little closer.
We're moving you.
It's just this tripod is.
Yeah, my tripod is kind of dying. Alright, so right now I have my middle set up my handle and I aligned it with the hilltop. Here we have one, two on the top.
This oven?
Yeah.
Like a glass
Uh-huh.
top? And that's the cast iron?
Built in the machine with the pretty handy. I can put it right next to it. So I'm gonna pour my oil in.
Careful, that could. Okay. Nice.
And I put the oil in a measuring cup so I wouldn't have to deal with the bottle. That was not gonna happen, people.
Oh, that's heavy.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And don't cast iron. You have to have a pot there, pot holder.
So now I'm gonna take my bowl of things and pour them in. And
Wait, let me get
take
this
a
on.
video.
Careful, it's kind of heavy. You got it? Great.
Now
Let me get you a little.
I'm gonna take one spoon and pour it around and let me saute for 7 to 10 minutes and then add the beef.
Okay. Sounds good.
So after that I'm gonna
Careful, they don't.
Mom added the beef because I can't add the beef we finally washed my hands and I don't really want to do that. Not that washing your hands is bad. I'm not saying that. Wash your hands. It has to be now with coronavirus. But it would have been difficult to hold them well with people.
Right, we
And
would have had to get you
I'm
over there. Yeah, yeah.
So it would not be tough. But right now I'm pouring the meat. It's supposed to be poured until it's round. So
What do you do next then?
taco seasoning and then poured and then we wait for 25
What about the salsa?
Adding the taco seasoning now. Do I add the salsa?
Yep.
And let me and the like this.
And if you can get less sodium, right?
Yeah, but
We all need less sodium. Yeah.
and this is I'm reading I'm reading
okay.
I'm reading I can't talk. A readably affordable meal. It's not very I don't think. I know money is an issue for some people right now, and I'm calling it. I'm one of those people. But yeah, how much you think this meal for, Mom?
Well, you know that you can get some ground beef for pretty reasonable, and the taco seasoning and all that. So yeah, maybe all this under For sure $10 right now, right?
Yep. Cilla and Ika and Addie and Isaiah and Hamu, if you want in the I bet you theater and you have an amazing family. And for those of you who may not know who I'm talking about, the recipe that I'm making comes Cilla Moore with my mom, Abby Moore, with a beautiful young lady who is 13 and she has autism, and they share their life as an autism family on YouTube. So I will make the recipe along with her channel, along with the family channel down below, and make sure you tag them in this video, and you'll test them out as well, because you won't regret it, right, Mom? We watch them every night.
Yeah, they're really.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have fun watching them.
So I think it's kind of cool that I'm cooking a recipe basically on my own from their channel. So if you're watching this, I must you Cilla. And I must all the more. So.
Yeah, send out some more recipes, right?
Yep.
Have Summer, is that her name? And
Yeah, I made.
and what's the Isaiah? We need them in the kitchen.
Yep.
Get them in the kitchen. We want to see more of their cooking skills.
So that's the update right now. So this is going in the oven now for 25 minutes. So I will talk to you after it's in the oven and after it's out of the oven, I can say, and I'll let you know how it comes out.
Woo!
If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. You are a real one, and I appreciate your support. Like her out of the oven, and with that being said, this video has come to an end. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, subscribe. If you like this video, and comment down below whatever we told you to comment earlier. I don't remember. Also, if you like this Cerebral Palsy and independent living, make sure that you...
Someone's coming to sign off.
High four.
Sign off, Winnie.
Give me a high four.
Woo!
Also, if you like the independent Cerebral Palsy, Mom, I have to say this. If you like this Cerebral Palsy independent living,
Sorry.
if you
My arm's getting tired.
If you like this flavor, please let me know. I really want your input. So anyway, I will see you in my next video.